In this video, I'm going to show you practically how you can create a new YouTube channel. Then before you even start creating a new YouTube channel, there are some other things you need to know before you start creating your channel, and some settings that you actually need to input so that your channel can easily get your videos to large amount of audience and get views. Now, before you even create a new YouTube channel, you need to have something at the back of your mind. Now, have you decided on the kind of video you actually want to be making? Have you said, oh, this is the kind of content I want to be making? Do you want to make content based on your activities or based on what you like or based on businesses? I think you should actually have a specific niche. Now, before you create a new YouTube channel, you must equally go and create your banner and also your profile pics. Have this down. Then how do you create this? Is you going to Canva. After you enter Canva, you can search YouTube banner. From there, Canva will suggest lots of banner to you, which you can take one and edit it based on how you want to be creating your videos. Based on your niche, you edit the banner and also have your profile pics ready. Now, after getting this, the next thing is for you to go and create your YouTube channel. What are you going to do? The first thing is for you to have a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, this is how you go about it. Go to your Gmail and go to add more account. From there, it will direct you automatically to how you can create your Gmail account. Click on create. Then you will have two suggestions. One will say personal use, the other one will say for businesses. Since your YouTube channel is meant for you personally, you will choose personal use. Then from there, you can create your Gmail account. Then after creating your Gmail account, the next thing is for you to go to the YouTube Red app where you usually watch your videos. Below it, you will see some options. By the left hand side, you will see the profile of your Gmail. Click on it. It will take you directly to your dashboard where you will see name, handle, and create. Do not click on create because you need to enter the name of your channel. And the name of your channel should be unique. It should be different from any other creators on this YouTube app, because if there's another people who actually want to search the name of your content, then if your name is related with other people's creators, then your videos might likely not be visible. So the best thing is for you to have a unique name, a name that will be different from any other creators. Then after you enter the name, the handle, enter the handle. If the YouTube did not accept the name of the handle you input, you can equally add some numbers or some alphabet just to make it unique. Then once it is accepted, the next thing is for you to click on create. Then your YouTube channel has been created. But that is not the end, because after creating this YouTube channel, you need to know how to set your channel properly and how you can easily post your first video and start getting views. Now, without further ado, go to your Chrome browser, go and search for www.youtubestudio.com/dashboard or .dashboard. You will see the first link. If you click on the first link, that is YouTube Studio, it will take you to your YouTube Studio, but it might not take you to the YouTube Studio desktop app. So you need to return back and go to the same link. Below it, you will see where a name of Korean name, or let me say Chinese name, is being written on it. Click on that link. From there, it will now take you directly to your YouTube Studio desktop app. Now, it will now take you to the settings. Once it takes you to the settings, the next thing you need to do is you will see general. That general is only asking for whether you want to be earning in dollars or in nairas or in your type of currency. What you have to do is click on the channel. From there, click on basic info. This basic info, you will see country. Select the country you currently reside, because at the end of the day, if you are monetized, the YouTube will actually requires you to input some documents that you are related with your country, that you will easily send your money. So that's why it's better for you to just input the country you currently reside, the country you can easily get their document once they ask for it. Then after that, you will see channel keywords. This channel keywords is very, very important. The first keywords on it should be the name of your channel. Why? Because your channel should be visible in the YouTube search and some other websites. So that's why it is very important. The first keyword should be the name of your channel. Any other keyword should be related with the kind of content you want to be making, how people are going to be searching your video, how people are going to be searching your content. So it should be any other keywords. Then from there, go to advanced settings. Ensure your channel is not made for kid. Put it as not made for kid, because if your channel is made for kid, then your videos will be restricted only to kids. That's why I will advise you to always let your video to be not made for kids, so that anybody can easily watch your videos. Then after that, go to the features eligibility, where you see standard features, you see intermediary features, and you will see advanced features. The standard features is for you to verify your channel with a phone number, and this phone number you can only use it to verify only 2 channels. But if you have only used it to verify 1 channel, or you have not even used it at all, then input your phone numbers and verify your YouTube channel. Then after that, you will see the advanced. Then after that, you will see the intermediary features, where YouTube will actually send you an email to your Gmail account. From there, just log out of YouTube, or you should minimize your YouTube and go to your Gmail account. Then from there, click on the link they sent to you. Then do a video verification. After you do the video verification, in 2 minutes time, or let me say after some few minutes, then YouTube will now send you a message that yes, your channel has been verified. Then the next thing is the third features, which is the advanced features, will now be unlocked for you. Then after you upload your videos, you can start using thumbnail, because if you did not do all these settings, you will not be allowed to input the thumbnails. You will not be allowed to upload videos more than once in a while, in a day, or you cannot even upload many short, or you cannot even upload long form videos. That's why it is very important for you to get all these settings very right. Then after that, go to the upload defaults. Yes, go to the upload defaults. From there, go to the basic info. You will see title, you will see descriptions, and you will see tags. What you need to do is the titles, leave it, because any video you upload will have their titles differently. But the descriptions, ensure the descriptions, you input the descriptions of the video you will be uploading. Why am I saying this? It is because anytime you upload your videos, you don't have to write any descriptions again. What you need to do is just edit this one and input some relevant keyword that is related to the video you are uploading. All these are default. Then the tags, always make sure you copy the tags, how people will be searching your content, or how people are searching the kind of videos you are making. Then put it inside this tag, so that anytime you upload your videos, you don't have to do this, because they are already there. So this is how you set your channel properly. Then after that, go to advanced settings. From advanced settings, this is where you can easily categorize the kind of your content, your channel, to the specific audience you want to be watching your videos. So why you need to categorize your channel is because YouTube algorithm will easily understand your content and will present it or recommend it to the specific audience you are targeting in the internet. So that's why I will ask you to categorize your video. That's the important thing. So this is how you set your channel properly. Then click on save. From there, now after you save, you will now look at the left hand side. The bar, those bars that are there, you will see the second to the last, which is the channel customization. You need to customize your channel before you even upload your first video. Then once you enter there, you will see your banner image, you will see profile pics, you will see descriptions, and you will see watermark below. Then all the, let me say, the banner you have created and the profile you have created, profile pictures, upload them immediately. Once you upload them, make sure you save it. Then the channel descriptions, write channel descriptions. Let the descriptions be related with your content, what you want to be making videos on, and how many times you'll be posting per week. If it is 1 time, if it is two times, and if it is every day, just make sure the descriptions is details, and it should contain the kind of content you want to be making, what people will be expecting from your video. Ensure everything is written in the descriptions. Why this is important is because for the YouTube algorithm and other websites like Google to understand your content, and recommend it to audience. That's why you need to input a channel descriptions. Then after this, you will see watermark below. This watermark, what you need to do is just go to Google and download subscribe button. After downloading it, just go there, upload it into the watermark, so that whenever people are watching your videos, this subscribe button will easily show below or above your videos, and it will instruct the viewers to watch more of your video or to subscribe to your channel. So that's why I will ask you to set your channel properly using this kind of watermarks. So this is how you do it. Then after you have done all this, just click on publish at the top right side of the YouTube studio. So click on publish. Then after you publish, then your channel is live. It is live, and this is how you set it properly. And after that, the next thing is for you to go and upload your first video on your channel, and immediately you start getting views. So this is how you create a new YouTube channel, and this is how you set it properly. So if you have any comment, do let me know your thought in the comment section. And if you like this video, ensure you like the video, make a comment. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys. Yeah.